Good morning class. Welcome to the art class. Today we will learn how to make portrait, caricature and cartoon. So for portrait, we will take a photograph or a printout and now draw a graph on the printout as well as on your sheet. And for help, you can write numbers on your graph vertically and horizontally, and your sheet also. Now we will start the drawing according to the graph squares. Three, like I'm making the nose, and the nose is in 3 and 4 number. So I'll draw nose in 3 and 4 number, the nose tip. According to that, eyes, lip, chin and jawline, everything. Draw according to the graph. Make you draw attentively, and your drawing should be perfect. If your drawing will not perfect, so your drawing will not look like what you are making. After drawing, erase the graph and start shading. And shade according to the light and shade in your portrait. Remember this, students, if your drawing will not perfect, your portrait will not look good. So drawing is basic thing in the portrait and caricature and cartoon also. So keep this in mind. Your drawing should be perfect. Observation is very important in the portrait. So So do very carefully. After drawing in shading, make the hair in the last. Make hair in the last. Your portrait is almost done. Portrait is exactly what you are making, like no changes. If you are making, like I'm making Deepika Padukone's portrait, it should look like Deepika Padukone, exactly what you can see in the printout or photograph. And shading also. So our portrait is done. Now we will start caricature. For caricature, take a photograph or a printout of a celebrity or anyone you want. And then we have to observe the features and identify the features to exaggerate. Like I am using Shah Rukh Khan's photograph. And I am exaggerating the Shah Rukh Khan's nose. You can see in the drawing. So in caricature, main thing is observation. You have to observe the features. Everyone has the features, what you can observe and exaggerate. Like someone has big nose, someone has big eyes, someone has hairs, different hairs, someone has big lips or small lips. So you can exaggerate that feature in your caricature. So do you see, caricature is a cartoonic representation of an actual human, whereas portrait is exactly like one's face. In caricature, observation is very important. So our caricature is also done. And now if you talk about cartoon is completely imaginary. Now let's draw a cartoon. Imagine a character and draw it on your sheet. So for cartoon we don't need any reference or any printout. You can just imagine a character and draw. So do you see there is a difference between a portrait, caricature and cartoon? Portrait is the exactly same like photograph or printout of someone what you are making, and caricature is the cartoonist representation of a human. And cartoon is completely imaginary. So now it's your turn to create your own artwork using the discussed skills. A portrait, a caricature and a cartoon. So our cartoon is also done. Now it's your turn to create your own artwork using the discussed skills. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you, students.